Join me on this early morning jog to the garden for this late July tour. Warm welcome to you wherever you are in the world. Let's join Rovilo at his garden. Hello! What a better way to open this late July tour of our garden, but under our rose arch and flanked by my beautiful flowers. By the way, welcome to our late July tour of our garden. You're watching Channel 1. Look, our dahlias have begun to blossom. What a beauty that is. Beautiful. And on the side are my amarrant and the zinnias. The zinnias. Beautiful. I don't know, everything turned pink this year. This used to be bathed in different colors, but I don't know, I planned all pink. This is a very special flower. I don't know what ate it. It's not perfect. I'll show you a better version of this later. I'm going to show you now the rest of the garden. Join me. Yeah. I hope you remember this. We are now on what I called the Multimedia Path. From tiles to broken terracotta to wood. Multimedia. And these are the beautiful flowers this year. I don't know what this is. Can you give them a close-up, cameraman? How beautiful this is. With this tassel flower, amarrant. If you notice, there's more panning and zooming because we are full crew today. I got my cameraman with me. Flanked by beautiful flowers here. A very beautiful yellow dahlia. Look at the tone of yellow there. Contrast with my green shirt. And on the other side, I'm afraid they are on their last week's sweet peas. I hope you can see the contrast between this yellow and this violet. No, not another yellow dahlia here. I forgot. Look how beautiful the flowers are. I maximized the space available here at the garden. That's why along the path I planted ornamentals. Look, this dahlia is now blooming. Look how beautiful the blooms are. And next to it directly is tomato. And even and even down there in between these tomatoes are beans. Cherry tomatoes there, if you notice. During the last visit, I expressed my concern that this vine was not growing. I transferred this from the other side early this year, but now it has recovered. Look how beautiful it is. It has recovered. It has recovered and bearing fruit. No, they're bearing very minimum fruits. Look, just this, because they're just planted. This too have been here 4 years now. That's why they are mature enough to bear fruit. These are the runner beans. I'm beginning to see blossoms now. No, this is a weed. Look, blossoms and fruits. Runner beans. Runner beans. Yeah. Before we enter our polytunnel to show you the tropical crop this year, I just want to show you, and I hope you can smell it, this eucalyptus tree.
Mmm. Smell it. Welcome to the tropical department. Here are our ampalayas. We cooked, or I harvested yesterday, just 3, and it was just enough for ampalaya salad. You can watch it on my channel, channel 1. That's a growing and cooking channel. Along with this ampalaya here, this is my problem really. My problem is that the mature prematurely, I mean the ripe prematurely. That's my problem. Can you help me? How do I solve that? Seriously, I need help. What should I do with my ampalaya? Thank you. If you know, please comment below. Patola vine. I hope the bear good fruit can now smell the patola. If you didn't get a close-up of the yellowing or premature ripening of the ampalaya, this is what I was talking about. So if you know how to prevent this, if you know how to cure this, please help me. I need your help. Yeah, I even lost my interest in further filming because of this. I'm going to show you the courgettes. I'm here next to the kangkong. They're not growing, but they're not growing as they should be. These are beans. My best apple crop or apple tree for this year. Let's go further. If you're wondering why has the lighting conditions changed, we had to return because we lose the footage of this scene. I want to show you my favorite crop, the corn, sweet corn. Yeah, I cannot afford to miss this. I cannot afford not to show you this because finally, look, they are bearing fruit. And just some biology lesson. This is the male flower and the female flower. Of course, the male flower pollinates the female flower. It doesn't matter. Among these male flowers, these are the pollens dropped to pollinate the silk here. Each silk is actually a single flower. It has to be pollinated. And each silk corresponds to a corn kernel. That's the reason why sometimes we get the corn with incomplete kernel is that there's insufficient pollination. That's the reason I planted this corn in a block so that they will pollinate one another. The pergola has been overcrowded by my flowering vines, and I think I have to let them grow to cover the entire facade of my shed. What do you think?
I helped Madam Grace last week build this pergola, and this is a view from her side.
Difficult scene to shoot because usually we are here in the morning, but today or at this time the sun is there, so we can get a good shot, a view of these flowers and at the same time of the shed. Our rose here is almost over. The almost exhausted flowers, but we have replacement flowers here, the amarrants. And before I forget, cabbages, yeah, the only remaining spring vegetables. I have prepared here some winter vegetables already. Kale. We are still in our multimedia path installation, and I haven't shown you yet, I think, my pears. Peras, ganda-ganda diba? Pears. Thank you for joining me today. It's a Sunday morning on this late July visit or late July tour of my garden. I hope you enjoyed it and see you again next month on our late summer tour. Let's go home.